Hello everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. Today I am making a bracelet for a customer and I'm going to be using these lovely glass rondelle beads. They're also known as abacus beads. I'm not sure if you can see the actual colour, but these really are lovely. They're 6mm glass and they can catch the light. They're almost like a jade colour looking from here. And I've also got some 6mm silver, these are just silver plated beads. And I'm also going to be using some 0.4mm elastic. And although it's very fine, it's incredibly strong. It's not as fragile as it looks. It may look like a strand of hair, but... So what I'm going to do, I've just opened this reel. I'm just going to snip the end off. And I'm just using scissors for this. And I'm just going to measure 12 inches. I'm going to take my bead clip. I don't think I've done any tutorials with 0.4mm elastic, so this is the first. I think we'll start off with a silver bead. I think I should have put my glasses on for this. We'll see how we go. I think we'll put 4 rondelle beads and then a silver bead, and we'll see what that looks like. These beads are all available on the website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this video, but there's usually some type of offer on. I think we currently have 10% off a £15 spend. And all handmade jewellery is free postage within the UK. Oh, chatting away. I need another silver bead. So what projects are you working on? Let me know in the comments below, because I really love to read what you're all doing or what you would like to do. It's hard to get that one on then. It's just trying to find the hole. I just find after a busy or stressful day, just to come and create something. I find it relaxing. How about you? Do you feel the same? I know lots of people do craft to help their mental health, and it's a fantastic way of making you feel better or take your mind off of things. And right now it's December. I think it's December the 8th today. And Christmas is everywhere. And I know some people don't celebrate Christmas, or they just want it to hurry up and go away. And some people may be struggling to buy presents. But you know, that's really not, for me, that's not what Christmas is about. We used to have wonderful Christmases when all the family got together when we were younger. As children, we played games. We'd have I had an uncle who would play a guitar and would sing Silent Night, and it was lovely. And that's what I remember from Christmases, not what we had. But, you know, really don't stress yourself out. If, you know, if it's just another day to you, just spend a day crafting or watching YouTube videos and do a puzzle or something. Just because I know Christmas isn't a wonderful time for everybody. Some people are alone, find it very lonely. I know if I had the room, oh, I would invite everyone like I could. And at the end of the day, it's a roast dinner. So please don't get stressed out. Just take my ruler and see what length. 6, okay. Let's put another 4 beads and take a look. These really are a lovely colour. And there's lots of different colours available on the website in different sizes. I normally work with much larger beads. Right, let me just take a look at this. So if you are able to, and you've got some maybe an elderly neighbour, disabled neighbour, or just anyone who you know is going to be alone. And if you have the room and enough food, why don't you invite them over, or invite them over for a drink and a mince pie in the evening. Okay, now this one is going to be over the 7 inches. Yes, it's 7.5. I'm just going to give this a little stretch. Just 1 second. I'll just tie the bracelet. I'm just going to go around twice. This is so fine, it's hard for you to see, but I'm attempting to do a surgeon's knot. There we go. Just going to cut the excess off. As I said, it's so thin, you can just use your scissors, whereas we normally use cutters. And there's that one. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.